Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'll share with you some good leaks and specs I found about the Tecno POVA 2, including the launch date of this device. So as you know, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting much time, let's get to the video. So looking at the upcoming new Tecno POVA 2 device, there has been some changes on this device looking at the specs so far. So first of all, let's talk about the battery on this device. The Tecno POVA 2 will come with a huge 7000 mAh battery that will also support 18 watts fast charging, and this time you are getting a USB Type-C on the Tecno POVA 2. So you should know a huge 7000 mAh battery can last you a day, but one thing you should also notice, once you kill the battery, you should know charging it back to 100% will take a lot of times. Looking at the front design on the Tecno POVA 2, you get a dot-in display. For the display itself, the Tecno POVA 2 will come with a 6.9 FHD IPS LCD display, but I don't know this time if they are going to add any higher refresh rate like 90Hz refresh rate, or maybe give it a 120Hz refresh rate. But no yawa, we'll find out when they finally launch the device. In terms of performance, the Tecno POVA 2 will be powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with 6 gigs of RAM plus 128 gigs of internal storage, and you'll be able to also expand it with a micro SD card if you want. So when you compare last year's Tecno POVA 2 that came with a Helio G80 chipset to the new Tecno POVA 2 with Helio G85 chipset, this means there's going to be some difference in two devices. So for the design at the back, it still remains plastic on the Tecno POVA 2. It is expected to have a side-mounted fingerprint reader, and also on this Tecno POVA 2, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Tecno POVA 2 will run on Android 11 with iOS custom skin. Maybe it will get an Android 12 update, or maybe it won't. The device is expected to launch somewhere around June. Let me know what you think about this device in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like on it. Also share, subscribe for more leaks and tech videos like this, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.